Hello students, in this particular video we understand data science ecosystems. Data science solutions as a product are offered by various vendors in the market today. Few of the popular vendors are as follows. Learn this image and know more about this. We can observe the in both data analytics and machine learning fields, IBM Watson emerges as the top player. Platform comparison. A consolidated view of the platform comparison based on data science technologies is shown below. In this course, we have explored and understood the following. Why data science is the need of the hour? How to align the data methodically to our business advantage? What is data science? Different components of the data science stack: probability and statistics, linear algebra, machine learning and computer science tools and packages. Data science project life cycle. Characteristics of a successful data science project. Top 10 use cases of data science. Data science ecosystems. Data science technology popular players. This lecture we cover basic data science. If you like this, please like and subscribe. India Moon. Thank you friends. Happy coding.